Ever disarm a ticking bomb underwater? Unless you're an action movie star, probably not. Or unless you're a U.S. Navy bomb disposal expert, the group that inspired this 3-step exercise for performing under pressure. Right before you enter a high-pressure situation, like giving a big work presentation or a sales pitch, take 60 seconds to do the following. Step 1. Think challenge, not threat. So much of your ability to thrive under pressure is based on your mindset and your initial response to the stress that's triggered. If you see something as a threat, your body responds in unhelpful ways, like an increased heart rate, sweaty palms, a sick feeling in your stomach, difficulty focusing. We've all been there. You're imagining everything that could go wrong, and feeling anxious makes you more anxious. It undermines your ability to perform. But if you tell yourself, I'm prepared for this challenge, research shows you better handle the stress. Your focus increases dramatically and your thoughts and emotions are more controlled. It enhances your ability to perform. Step 2, regulate your breathing. Even when you're thinking challenge versus threat, some stress can still seep through. It's human nature. Not to worry. Take a few deep breaths, slowly inhaling and exhaling through your nose. It triggers a relaxation response and settles the mind to help it focus. It really works. This is why some martial arts instructors have their students train with a mouthful of water. Now, you're ready for step 3. Focus on the first micro goal. Beforehand, break your macro goal into a series of micro goals, small steps to achieve along the way. Doing so makes the challenge feel more doable, less daunting. As you're about to enter that high-pressure situation, focus on nailing just that first micro goal, that first step. Don't worry about the entire outcome. Then, magic happens. You achieve that first micro goal, draw energy and calm from doing so. Your preparation kicks in and suddenly you're in a state of flow, thriving under pressure. Research shows succeeding at a small initial goal in a high-stakes situation drastically decreases anxiety, increases confidence, and sharpens focus. That's exactly what happens when I'm delivering a big keynote. Right beforehand, I focus only on the first micro goal, nailing the opening line and the opening story. Soon thereafter, I'm in the flow. So, think challenge, not threat. Regulate your breathing. Focus on the first micro goal. Do so, and you will soar, not sink, under pressure.